Expand brackets in the following expression, simplifying your answers as much as possible. So this is sort of a standard expanding brackets. We've got 3x minus 5 times 7x plus 3. So I like to do 3x times that bracket. So it's 3x times 7x plus 3, then minus 5 times 7x plus 3. Expanding this, we get 3x, which is 21x squared, 3x times 3, which is plus 9x, minus 7 times x, which is minus 35x, and then minus 5 times plus 3, which is minus 15. Notice the change of sign. Then we just need to collect the two like terms together. So we've got 21x squared, and then minus 26. 9 minus 35 is minus 26x, minus 15. Part B, we've got 5x minus 4 all squared. This means 5x minus 4 times 5x minus 4. Common mistake here is just to square that and then to square that, okay? But you need to think of it as 5x minus 4 times 5x minus 4. So you get 5x times 5x minus 4, minus 4 times 5x minus 4. Expanding, you're going to get 25 times x squared, 5x times 5x, then 5x times minus 4, which gives you minus 20x, minus 4 times 5x, which gives you minus 20x, and then minus 4 times minus 4, be careful, is plus 16. So that's going to give you 25x, and minus 20 gives you minus 40x plus 16. And if you just square that and just square that, you won't get the middle bit in the middle. Now to three brackets. So we've got x plus 2 times 2x minus 3, x minus 1. Keep the one at the front on its own, and then just expand these two first. So you get 2x times x minus 1 minus 3 times x minus 1. Keeping that one at the front, then expanding this like we've done up here, we get 2x times x, which is 2x squared, 2x times minus 1, which gives me minus 2x, minus 3 times x gives me minus 3x, and then minus 3 times minus 1 is plus 3. Then before you expand this one, simplify your answer here in the middle. So we've got x plus 2, 2x squared minus 5x, because minus 2 minus 3, plus 3. Do take the trouble to simplify this first. Right, we now expand this. So that now means x times 2x plus 2x squared minus 5x plus 3 plus 2 times 2x squared minus 5x plus 3. So expanding, we're going to get x times 2x squared, which is 2x cubed, x times minus 5x, which is minus 5x squared, and then x times 3, which is going to give me plus 3x, plus 2 times 2x, which gives me 4x squared, plus 2 times minus 5x, which gives me minus 10x, and then plus 2 times 3, which gives me plus 6. We get 2x cubed, and then we look at the like terms, minus 5x squared and 4x squared, that's just going to give me minus 1x squared, we write as minus x squared. And then we got 3x and minus 10x, that's going to make minus 7x altogether, and then the plus 6 at the end. So this has been a video to show you how to expand two brackets and then also how to expand three brackets. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.